CARDIOPATCH project aims to develop an advanced therapy model to minimize the impact of myocardial infarction. Our role at Genibet within this project is to provide guidance to the partners that are developing the cells and derivatives to be used for their regenerative properties in the 3D patch. We are using our already existing expertise in the manufacturing of biopharmaceuticals to ensure and to help in such a way that these cellular products are manufactured and tested in compliance with current regulatory guidelines and good manufacturing practices. In other words, we want to ensure that these products have high quality and are safe. By contributing with our input from the early stages of development, we believe that the CARDIOPATCH Consortium will be more likely to have a straightforward path in applying this therapy to patients in the future, and we are really happy to be able to be a part of this.